Okay, guys, what's going up? Welcome to a new vlog, new series. I don't know what to call it, but basically, we're going on a shoot, and it's at a hotel, and we're shooting a restaurant there, like some promotion stuff. So I'll just give you a breakdown before we leave right now in 5 minutes. कि क्या क्या ले रहे. From my experience, मुझे सिर्फ हमेशा एक ही light लगा है. I've not ever needed more than one light. So I'm like, fuck it, I'm not gonna take the extra weight. So we're just taking one light, Godox 200. रिफ्लेक्टर लेना पड़ेगा. रिफ्लेक्टर नहीं लिया काम में यार. क्रिश वो काका को फोकस बोल काका को. बस फोकस बोल दो. काका दे देंगे वो. सो एक 200 and this is mainly the lights. यहाँ पे it's one makeshift tripod. We use this because it's small and easy to carry around. This is going to be the light stand, and we are taking 90 inch soft box, parabolic soft box. ये नहीं ले लेते actually. ये आ रहा काम में. And yeah, bhai. And in my camera bag we have an R5C and a bunch of lenses, 35, 50, 16, 24, 105, Xeon gimbal, mics, and just the simple stuff. Nothing too intense. Baki, I'll take you along the ride for me. We'll give you a raw experience. What's it like behind commercial shoots and that stuff. Let's leave. ब्रो हमने पहले भी इट्स सॉरी विराट आते. हाँ मिल गया. बुक कैब ना. हाँ जी वैगन आ रहा है. जी वैगन आ रहा है. आई वॉज होपिंग किसी ने सुना नहीं मुझे. मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले Q&A के लिए डाला था. आई थिंक वी कैन आंसर सम क्वेश्चंस.
कब डाला?
2-3 हफ्ते पहले. आई नेवर आंसर एनीवन्स क्वेश्चन. आई वाज जस्ट इंटरेस्टेड. भाई आपके बाइसेप कितने इंच का है? एनीथिंग सोनी वर्सेस कैनन. अद्भुत भाई. अब ये क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने के लिए एक सेकंड ही होल्ड कर. You guys are gonna be shocked, bro. You guys are gonna be shocked. Look at this Sony camera. बाकी ये this bag सामने रखते हैं.
हो गया ब्रो शूट?
Bro, he said come only at 1 o'clock.
क्या?
He said come at 1 o'clock.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So I was saying कि the reference that you send out the ASMR type one,
Whatever you sent to me, I sent it to him. He approved it. So you do whatever. You speak to him on spot and you figure it out.
Yeah. So he's not like married to that idea now that he wants to do exactly.
नहीं तो उससे बात कर ले. उसको उसका आउटपुट अच्छा चाहिए तो एक बार उससे बात करके उधर ही समझा देना उसको पहले ही.
हाँ, because what he had in mind, I don't think he'll help him with the promotion that much. So I'll talk.
You give him that feedback. You talk to him from your end. No worries.
ठीक है, cool. I'll try and wrap it up in 2 to 3 hours.
हाँ वो खुद ही बोला 2 घंटे में हो जाएगा.
हाँ. And what does he want first? Like immediately
तो वीडियो लगेगा उनको.
One of them ना only, like तुरंत.
वो तो डिस्कस कर ले. बट आई थिंक ही वांट द one of them नहीं. There are basically what he's thought of is basically 10-12 seconds के 2 वीडियोस ऐसा.
हाँ.
ठीक है तो 2 कट्स बनाएगा. तो देखो टेक्निकली एक ही वीडियो टेक्निकली पे ऐसे काम करना है. और बाकी के इमेजेस तो कल भी प्रोड्यूस एडिट करके दे देगा सुबह तो भी चलेगा. 24 आवर्स का है तेरे पास टाइमलाइन.
हाँ cool.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
ओके ब्रो.
ठीक है चल बाय. It's pretty simple. 2 reels बनाने हैं. One is basically some ASMR type. I didn't like their references, so I've curated my own 2-3 videos. Then I'll go there, I'll talk to him, and then I'll give him my ideas. I'm not too stressed. I'll be honest with you. Suranshi से भी पूछ सकता है. I didn't even know what the brief and all was. I got the brief like 11 p.m. last night. Like this is what we have to do. I'm like हाँ ठीक है. Hi, what's up? All good. Been some time.
Yeah, been a while. Is it tea?
Yeah. So I thought we'll just discuss the ideas quickly because I had some feedback from my end also. Let me open the thing. For this one, the first one that we're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, so I like the ASMR concept. So I also have taken out a few references ASMR style myself. That we can thoda have a mix of it. So the one that you shared with me didn't have a lot of food specific shots. I think we should focus on that a little more since it's
That was ingredient specific. This would be food specific if you're doing it for this promo.
Huh.
So that was more of, you see, the sushi rice thing. Right? It had individual elements that they were focusing on, the textures.
So see, this is the making of a dish, but I don't want you to focus on that. I just want you to focus on the way it's shot. Like sound is there, but it's morely food focused. So
But see, what I was also thinking is now, the reason I like that video is because of the texture concept of it. Here, what I want to play around with is, maybe we take the same foods, right? We play around with the textures. You can look at the raw ingredients, maybe whatever you like. You can just, check if the textures and everything seems good. And then also we can add the ASMR a bit of it,
ASMR will be there. So whatever, like for the one that you're showing, whatever shots we're taking, if we're unable to record any sound, we'll just figure that out in post. But I've got the mic to like record.
The whole reason I like that video is because of how upbeat it is.
It's sort of abstract. Yeah, that'll
it's
work.
abstract. I want one to be abstract, the other one to be more definitive.
This one, the second one is pretty commercial, so that's not an issue. This too will record in the end once all the food is ready. We'll just do a little pouring shots and action shots of this. Baki to, I know the vibe of you guys, so I'll figure that one out.
In this video, one thing that's missing is also the element of a chef.
So we'll add that.
Yeah, coming, plating or something like that, right? So those can be done.
I think we'll keep maximum outside here. I don't want to go too in the kitchen. I want to keep it as clean as possible.
Yeah.
Clean as in the aesthetics. That sense. So in the kitchen it'll become very whitewashed everything and all.
Not in the kitchen.
We'll keep everything outside. Yeah.
This
Here
is under the three spotlights. Right, whatever we do, we have the spotlight also on it.
Yeah.
And then there's a screen marble over here, so should be an issue.
And what we can have with stuff like the orange, we'll have a hand that's just squeezing the orange.
Yeah.
Like just straight up, just the orange. Bare, thoda sa hi hand visible and just
Squeeze it.
Usme we'll figure out a sound in post. Because this no sound will come. Something creative.
You capture any element of it, you can get it even on a phone. That's fine,
I'm saying sound.
Sound only I'm saying.
It won't.
Recording device you have?
I've got. But I'll record and keep, but I'm mostly gonna change it in post. I'm 100% sure. I'm gonna.
I know what
That we want that sound that will bring you in to the video, because the one that you shared me, a lot of it's in post only.
Yeah, because those are generic sounds also.
Like they drink and all, they use bubble sounds. They didn't use actual drink sounds. Light तो लगेगा थोड़ा because it's very dark. क्रिश ये लाइट को यहाँ से ला, like by the chair.
Here?
It seems, what's the brightness?
100%.
We'll make it 50. Too much on the background. Push it more in this direction.
इससे करूँगा ना और क्या ब्लू टॉर्च है तो ब्लू टॉर्च दे दो टॉर्च नहीं ब्लू टॉर्च दो
Still very bright. Bring it where he's standing now. Give it in this direction. Actually, the shadow falls towards me. Switch off करना पड़ेगा वो इसे पूरा.
Where?
Here. Hey, one sec. The light. I want to place the light here.
This.
No. This. More. Now थोड़ा है let me see better. Yeah. See, this looks. Look how this looks now.
Yeah, nice. Which side do you want it to come in from?
This side.
This side, right?
Yeah, that you want. I just need to set the shot a bit more. तो शायद पूरा ऊपर ले आना पड़ेगा. Alright. 3, 2, 1, action. So if you can,
Just keep and leave.
yeah, that'll look
I know,
better.
लगना भी तो चाहिए. Start again.
No, I was just clearing the smoke. Ready? Action. This was much better. The only
Last one.
thing I didn't like में थोड़ा सा what, like, it moved slightly somewhere.
Honest to be demo. Because you can't really see the.
The flame is visible. That's
It
not.
is?
Yeah. See, flame दिख रहा है अच्छे से.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah. Alright. 3, 2, 1, action. Perfect. Let's. Perfect. This was the opening ceremony of our shoot. Okay, so I'll open up the list. So I'll make a checklist also. Krish, तेरे phone apps में वो notes में वो checklist बना.
Fish, bro. Orange and fish.
हाँ. Orange might be ready, I guess.
क्या लिखूं?
Gin.
So clapping,
एक मिनट.
you know how to do that tick mark thing, no?
हाँ? You hear this?
हाँ, this only. Yeah.
Clapping,
Candle,
candle,
orange,
orange,
fish,
fish,
baguette,
baguette.
shaved fennel.
Wait.
क्या not the funnel fennel.
Okay, next.
देख लेंगे ना. Grilled peach,
Grilled peach,
lamb.
lamb.
This is the.
Salmon salad. You want
This-
squeeze on top or you want just.
So these are
Just this.
just this. But we'll keep it at the bottom ना just in case because किधर तो गिरना ही है.
हाँ, that's fine.
बस ऑरेंज करेंगे. But इसको bottom में रखो ना फिर भी.
ठीक है, आप यहाँ आ जाओ.
शेफ स्मोक सैलमन का क्या करेंगे?
So बस testing के लिए you can, for now just hold it like this. हाँ.
You
So
want like this?
yeah, like this works. हाँ, this we'll put this on the bottom.
चलेगा ना उस पे गिरेगा.
हाँ चलेगा. ये visible है नहीं?
हाँ, just.
लाइट थोड़ा रखना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, that I'll do. I'm just setting the shot. This is too zoomed out. Give me the 24-105. So now, Krish, move the light towards the orange, but don't let it spill on the background. In that case, we'll just move this chair only out of the shot. Chef, आपका हाथ रखो. Yeah, this works. You can stand behind. इसको ऊपर से ले. So you know the power button is.
Hold it.
Yeah, and it'll turn green. Still not. Huh. It's on. It's on. Cool. Okay, थोड़ा हाथ a little lower. हाँ. Slightly lower. Down. हाँ. ठीक है. चलो. And when I say 3, 2, 1, just squeeze it as hard. Even if it थोड़ा gets smashed, it's fine. Okay. 3, 2, 1, action. Okay.
You didn't shoot this in 120.
I've shot it in 50.
Wouldn't this look better in slow motion?
It would. But then I wanted the audio now. We have the audio now. We'll do one in 120. You held it like, let's say like this.
Got it.
So जो आपके fingers हैं ना, let's come too far. थोड़े ना fingers so the orange is visible. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action. Okay. Have a look at this one. It's damn cool. This is.
So previous one.
Hmm?
The ending is a bit violent.
Yeah, maybe we can just cut it.
थोड़ा fresh rosemary ले लो ना.
So you can come from this side and do it because आप यहाँ से दिख रहे हो थोड़ा सा. Okay, rolling. Ready. So एक काम करो, keep it on it for a bit longer so then the steam also comes out. You can capture that. And then you can remove it and go out. See if you can apply it with more force. And the
Okay.
cool.
Next.
Yes. Yeah. The bread one is just the sound, no? थोड़ा सा डाउट था, क्लियर हो गया. Cool. Bored हो रहा bro. हाँ, I'll hear it also. You can just, you'll do it. The thing will get dirty or what?
This side करूँ या this side?
Dono, like, actually you don't have to go that. You can go from here to here to here. Like just scrape it 2-3 times. Oh, one sec. थोड़ा ना faster.
Fast करूँ?
हाँ. Hold it from here. The thing you are blocking the mic holes. हाँ. It's cut in half now. Okay. So what we can do next? Yeah, this will work. ठीक है.
You can get some height problem in the camera.
थोड़ा. Alright, ready for the final shot. 3, 2, 1, action. We'll do it again. Everything shook.
मतलब?
The camera only shook like this. It was touching the table now.
Oh.
So I don't think this will be usable. Chalo chef. Rolling. 3, 2, 1, action. Perfect.
It's like
Knife only. Knife.
ये knife का
हाँ.
हाथ से करना है तो फिर
Knife looks good.
okay.
Just put one.
हाथ से बड़ा वाला garlic better.
हाँ. That's why this will look good with the knife.
Yeah.
This is थोड़ा ये थोड़ा बड़ा है. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
नहीं है.
But it sounded insane. You want to hear it through this? It's pretty.
बाहर नहीं आया था,
चलो।
so kind.
Deadly है. इसको और तेल डाल देंगे क्या?
हड्डी मिट्टी तोड़ने वाला था क्या?
हाँ.
इस पे और थोड़ा ऑलिव ऑयल डाल सकते हैं. Can we like soak it थोड़ा 1-2 बार ऐसे?
जो पहला वाला किया ना आपने वो बहुत परफेक्टली निकला. चलो रेडी 3, 2, 1 एक्शन. Yeah,
Good.
I'll slow this one down a bit. It's moving too much. बहुत ज़्यादा मूव हो रहा है. 2-3 गिरा दो एक साथ बस. और भाई मैं करता हूँ मैं अपने साथ. Just roll ना. Give me the wide spread. How wide? I've set the frame. This इतना wide है frame. This is the edge.
No. More.
Okay. एक साथ पकड़ लो ना अगर थोड़ा नीचे गिरेगा.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
थोड़ा और आगे से गिराता हूँ. थोड़ा क्वांटिटी बढ़ा देता हूँ.
ये मेरा तो बोल ना.
हाँ.
आगे से मतलब किधर?
So imagine I did it from here. I'll do it थोड़ा from here. I'll drop it from here then.
Yeah. थोड़ा आगे लाओ.
हाँ.
थोड़ा और आगे. You can drop it from here. Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
But it didn't fall enough fully. But let me see if it looks. Bring your hands out थोड़ा. हाँ. थोड़ा आप एक स्टेप पीछे ले सकते हो.
You have a apron?
push the light, stick back. This way. Stick this way and then slowly turn the head. Turn the head towards me. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Let's do it one more time.
एक last.
Faces and he was gonna get cropped, but I'm just taking white for safety.
ये तो नीचे तो चाहिए नहीं ना वैसे भी.
नहीं, that's fine.
थोड़ा कम.
इसके साथ चाहिए.
ये क्रॉप होने
टेबल पे
वाला
दिख रहा
है.
है.
ये क्रॉप होने
अच्छा,
वाला.
crop.
3, 2, 1, go. Better.
हाँ. लेके आ जाओ. वो एक ये लेके आ जाओ बस.
लाया क्या?
ये अभी बस साफ करने के लिए.
सीधा एक कट मारना है.
Yeah, फिर ऐसे गिरेगा ना.
गिरेगा तो नहीं.
ठीक है, let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, action. Not good. So what we can do is, how do you spread it around? You like, so that's fine. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This one sounded perfect. It looked also good. This is good. Done. So basically I'm just seeing कि if the footage how it's looking. और लगाया मैंने basic सा lineup. Since this is ASMR, it's looking fine. This one तो will can. Yeah, I think एक या दो और खींच के हो जाएगा हमारा. ये एक लैम्प और वो नैपकिन वाला. Then we'll be done. इसको गर्म होने में टाइम लगेगा. I guess it's gonna take 5 minutes. We can put it on the side and just do the napkin thing. 3, 2, 1, action. Almost perfect. It landed everything. It just went thoda out. Action.
Do one thing, now just keep a wider frame.
Yeah.
And
Only.
in the end you can crop it.
Now the lamp sizzle. अब थोड़ा आगे push करो ना. Yeah, perfect. ये क्या है? Temperature meter.
आपका पैन किधर है?
I think he's gonna put it directly on this
इस
one.
पे ही करने वाले.
के ऊपर करेंगे.
It's actually single is fine.
Single is fine.
अच्छा, I'll immediately start to think about. ठीक है, then 1 sec.
पक्का साइड से गिरेगा नहीं ना?
Not even in frame. यहाँ तक भी लिया तो हाँ, यहाँ देख रहा. This works. आप यहाँ यहीं कहीं कर दो.
वो green just put it on the center. जहाँ पे just keep this with the lamp you're going to keep the lamp.
Yeah.
इसको और थोड़ा center में करो.
थोड़ा इस तरह. So इसको साइड हटा के आप फिर लैम्प को नीचे डाल दो. जहाँ ये है, हाँ, वो सेंटर था. You can just put it here. यहाँ पे. हाँ, बस ले ले पीछे. Okay. ठीक है, we got the shot.
What?
Yeah, like that. And then
You're just going to be preparing that only अभी.
and then those dishes का will do the photos, whatever 5, 6 dishes.
Five
huh?
images.
So we'll have the individual shots and we'll have a whole table. Then we'll do the same thing with the photos.
Done चलेगा.
अभी क्या बोलूँ? खाना बनाओ.
ये वाला जो आप फेड कर.
Feature next to the salmon. Yeah. Other side. हाँ, perfect. Okay, ready?
ये मीट के ऊपर आएगा डायरेक्ट.
हाँ. 3, 2, 1, action. Then I liked it how it was flowing out slowly.
अभी बच रहा है ऐसा.
One shot. Finish.
हाँ. Chalo, we're done. Finally, took a little more time than I expected, but we're done. क्या? Little. But chal, we're done. That's all for this vlog. Bye.